A journey is powered by those who never settle, who don't ask what for, but ask what next, who see the shore as a guideline, who know some things can only be seen if you're looking at the big picture, who believe immersing yourself is more than dipping your toes, and who realize sometimes space is the best way to get close. When you've got a pioneer spirit, your limits don't come from within. When you cut through the water, you chart your own course. And when you see a sunset, you don't see an ending. You see an invitation. Our journey is never ending because we only see possibilities. When they see small details, we see the next big thing. Those who never stop moving know the journey is the reward. Introducing the 2019 lineup of Yamaha boats. Unparalleled innovations for the next step in your journey. Are you ready to run the water?